Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 6, Lesson 22. My sister loves to have more of anything than I do. Like if I have one cookie, she needs to eat two. If I take a 10-minute shower, she wants to take a 12-minute shower. She just loves more. Well, this morning, something happened. She brought a coin. She came running into the living room. She said, look at all the money I have. I have a nickel. Ooh, I have more money than you do. I was like, I don't think so, because I held out the coin that I had, and it was a dime. But she was like, no way, mine is bigger and mine is worth more. That got me thinking, how can I compare the value of coins? Well, this is great, because our learning goal for today literally is, I can compare the values of different coins. Now, values mean, or the value of a coin is how much is it worth, right? Let's real quick, like a bunny, review the different coins that we've learned about and their values. So friend, what coin is this? Yep, it's the big one. He's the quarter. A quarter is worth a lot. How much is he worth? Great job. Yeah, 25 cents. A quarter's value is 25 cents. What about, another big coin, the nickel. How much is that nickel worth? Excellent job. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Ooh, look at this really shiny copper penny. How much is a penny worth? Do you remember? Excellent. Yes, a penny is worth 1 cent. And then finally, I have one more coin sitting here. The little tiny dime. How much is he worth? Excellent. His value is 10 cents. All right, so let's go ahead and figure out them with the most value all the way to the least amount of value. So which coin is worth the most? Can you tap on it? Yep, right here. The quarter. He's worth 25. Then what would be the next highest number? Yep, that would be the dime. He's tiny, but he's worth 10. His value is pretty high. Then which one would come next if we're sorting? Perfect, the nickel, because his value is 5 cents. And then last but not least, the coin that's worth the smallest amount is the penny with just 1 cent. All right, good. So now that we've reviewed, let's go back to what my sister was bragging about to me. She had a nickel and I had a dime. So let's go ahead and write it down for her so she can see clearly who has more. A nickel is worth how much, friends? That's right, it's worth 5. And my dime is worth 10. So for today, who had more? My little sister or me? Yes, it was me. Phew. Hey, I'm glad we reviewed so it made it a little bit easier to compare, right? Let's look at these numbers. Now, the two stacks of coins over here match one of the values of these coins. Let's go ahead and figure it out. How much are pennies worth again? Yeah, 1. Go ahead and count. See how much money is in this pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cents. Now, which coin was 5 cents? The quarter or the nickel? Can you go ahead and draw an imaginary line from the stack of pennies to the coin whose value it matches? Good job, yeah. 5 pennies is equal to 1 nickel, which is worth 5 cents. What about what's the value down here? We have 1 nickel and 2 dimes. I'm going to start by counting the bigger coins. 10, 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. Is 25 the same amount as a quarter's value? It is, so I can draw a connecting line there. Good job. When we think about how much a coin is actually worth, not just what it looks like, not like its size, because that kind of doesn't always work out, then we can compare their amounts, which is great, because our learning goal said, I can compare the values of different coins. And that's exactly what we did. For your Seesaw exit ticket, I would like you to look at these two coins. Here we have a quarter, and here we have a dime. I want you to go ahead in the video, make a quick video on Seesaw, and tell me which one is worth more, and how much is it worth. Good luck, friends.